Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a box in from Hobby Nut Models. Always exciting. Although I know what I've ordered, I want to show you guys my order. I mean, why not? This is model related stuff, right? This is cool. This is a sticker that you can get from Hobby Nut. Really thick, nice, very nice sticker. Thought I'd put it up here just so you know who this was from. But if you're over at Hobby Nut Models, you can pick up a sticker for a couple bucks, $4 or $5. I don't know what they're right around that cost. Anyway, nice 55 Chevy doing a major burnout with some squirrel, some nut head driving it. Anyway, all right, let's get in this package. Love opening packages, even if I already know what's going to be in it. So I'm excited for some of the things that are in here. Let me get on this side of the camera, because I've been waiting on them to use them on my Mercedes that I'm working on, and you will see. Oh yeah, oh cool, even again. Okay, so I'm surprised. I knew one thing was going to be in here, but I didn't know the other. Cool. Mark's the best. Alrighty, so first, here's a kit. VW Beetle. Thanks, Mark. I really appreciate that. I will definitely build this. I do not have this kit. So what's cool about this one is they do have an engine, and it's not just a curbside kit. There is an engine. I don't know if the hood opens. It does look like it may open. And not sure. It's sealed. It's one of the Reveal kits that isn't wrapped in plastic, but it has this big stickers to seal it up. Yeah, man, thank you so much. This is a 2020 kit. California wheel, 68. Volkswagen Beetle, 68. Real quick fact on Volkswagens, and I love doing this because I know there's other VW guys like Sean, the scale model car guy. Sean, he's a VW guy too. But 68 was the first year of 4-lug. First year of 4-lug, but 68 was also the last year of the swing arm rear axle. 69 had a independent, an IRS with CV axles. This one still had the enclosed swing arm type of rear suspension. The 68 did, with 4-lug. Another quick tidbit. When Volkswagen continued to be made in Mexico, I think up until 2006, I think it was, they went back to the swing arm type suspension in their newer cars. I don't know why or what was the reason for that, but they, if you'll look at some of the videos of the production down in Mexico, they had swing arm style rear suspension. Just a little fun fact for you. I love Volkswagens. Got two that need to get put together. It only takes money. You know how that goes. All right. Thanks, Mark, for this kit. That is awesome. I really appreciate you. And there's another one here. And I know why this is in here. So, Miss Heather was out here recently and was looking at my model kits, and we were trying to decide on her one to build. And I said, oh, no, you can't build that one, or we don't want to take the plastic off of it or whatever, which I'm just playing with her. I'm not serious. But here is one of those, the kit that she opened up and took out of the plastic, which is an awesome looking model kit with the doors opening and all that stuff. And if she wants to build this one, she is surely more than welcome to, and I know she knows that. But Mark sent me one that's sealed again. Thank you, Mark. Buddy, I appreciate you. You're a great guy. So I have some paint. I'll get this stuff out and then we'll open it up. I have some paint, I have some thinner, and all the goodies. All right. So, we will get these opened and then we'll take a look at them without cutting my finger. there's no threat of your stuff getting damaged when Mark ships it, because he wraps it in plenty of bubble wrap, which is really cool. I've gotten stuff in the past before, not from Mark, but from other places, and you get it and it's beat all up. You're not going to get that when you get something from Mark. There we go. All right, get the knife out of your hand, Matthew. Get this box open. This is what I was waiting on right here. All right, here we go. What's in here? All right, so first, this is a, it's Revell. I've been trying different glues, and this is a Revell 39604. You can see the part number there also. This has a label on it, but this is the Revell monogram glue with the applicator, which I thought was cool because it's got that pinpoint applicator getting down those hard to reach spots and stuff like that. I wanted to try this glue, so I got that. You gotta have, if you've not tried this stuff, you've got to try it. Mr. Color Leveling Thinner by Mr. Hobby. This stuff, I don't know if this is what's made my paint jobs turn out better, or it's just I've done it longer now. You got to get some of this stuff. Go get you some of this leveling thinner and paint with that, and it made a absolute world of difference in my paint jobs. So only 3 MCW paints this time. I've got bright red enamel, love bright red, love bright red. I've got gloss white and just a semi-gloss black. I have got a lot of MCW paint, but if I've used some, I like to try and keep it in stock. I've also mentioned how I really like using this stuff, the Mr. Finishing Surfacer. This is a 1500. This is what, when you see, hold on, have I put that video out of the, the Mercedes, the primer on the Mercedes. This is what I primed it with. I think I've already released that video. I don't know, I get so many videos going, it overwhelms me sometimes. But anyway, this stuff is great. I mix it 50-50 with the leveling thinner, and it is so slick. It is such a great primer surfacer. You got to get some, but like I said, I mix it 50-50. It's a pretty good sized bottle. I don't know, I can't read the Japanese writing to tell you what the size of the bottle is, and I don't see it on here, but anyway, good sized bottle. You can paint several cars with one of these bottles. Go check it out. Mr. Finishing, it's by Mr. Hobby, Mr. Finishing Surfacer. They make the gray, white, and black. I got 2 bottles of Tamiya. The Tamiya, this is gloss black. Good stuff. Tamiya paints, I've never really used lacquers, but since I have, they dry so quickly, and these Tamiya paints are great. They're smaller than the MCW. They're not as large. They look like they would be, but they're not. They're not as many ounces. This is 10 milliliters, and this is like 15 milliliters. So there's 5 more milliliters in the MCW, but of course the price is cheaper because the bottles are smaller. But this is great stuff, the Tamiya paints. Here's something that I haven't had before. Let's see, maybe I did. I think Tim Ryan from up in New Hampshire, Vermont, wherever Tim's from, he sent me this a while back. So here is brown panel line accent color. And then I was on Hobby Nut the other day, and I saw the orange brown. This will be like a real light colored rust, and also the deep brown, so it'd be more like a darker color rust. So I wanted to try to get and do a weathering job sometime soon, and wanted to get more of the panel line accent colors, because you can use these for like if your manifolds and things like that, after you get the manifolds on your car, if you have an old Beat or something, you can paint it up with some of this rust color and make it look like it's, it's got some miles on it. That's what it's all about, right? Making these things look real. I mean, yeah, we can do showroom cars, but when you can make one look old and crusty and it look authentic, I think you have achieved something. All right, so here's what I've been waiting on. It's these AK Extreme Metal. I've used these in the past. At first, when I used the AK metal paint that I'd bought before, I didn't know how to use it. I was just blasting it on there, and I was like, it just looks great. I mean, it looks silver. I have found out since how you're supposed to spray these metal paints, and I saw that Mark had these in stock, and I was like, oh, I gotta get me some of this stuff because I want to paint some of my Mercedes engine parts with this. So here is this is AK670. This is stainless steel. So that is stainless steel, and this stuff is ready to spray directly out of the bottle. Okay, and I know they use a lot on armor and stuff like that, but it doesn't matter. It's still stainless steel. Here is metallic blue. It's metal, so it's a metal color, but it's metallic blue. And I was thinking maybe I could try to do some heat stains or something like that on. I've got the clear Tamiya, clear red, clear yellow, clear blue in the Tamiya colors, but I wanted to also try maybe this metallic blue metal color. I don't know. It's something to experiment with. I'm not 100% sure what I'll use it for. And that was a AK487. This is AK481. This is polished aluminum, so that's going to look nice on some. That's probably what's going to go on those parts on my Mercedes engine, is polished aluminum rather than like chrome or stainless or anything like that, because I think they would be aluminum and be polished. Here is AK479. This is just aluminum, so that would look nice on something that you don't want to high polish, but you just want aluminum. Maybe a set of mag wheels that aren't polished aluminum. Here's just straight aluminum. And this is AK476. This is just steel. So if you have a part in a model that is just looks like a piece of bare steel or whatever, and I don't know what applications these would be great on or good on, but I'm liking this stuff, and I've tried other brands, and again I saw Mark had this and I wanted to give it a shot. 476 steel, and of course AK477 is chrome, and I've got some wheels, I've got a chrome, and I've got some other things, but I encourage you guys to go, if you haven't already, go over to Hobby Nut Models and check out the inventory over there. See if there's something over there that may interest you, that may better your building. It has definitely bettered me, I can promise you, because before Hobby Nut, I didn't have as much of this stuff. It wasn't as available to, it was, but working with Mark, I've been able to acquire this stuff much easier working with him. So I encourage you guys to go check out hobbynutmodels.com right there. Grab yourself a sticker and some of this great paint. I encourage you to go do that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope to soon use some of this, and we'll get to see me spraying this chrome paint or aluminum paint or whatever it is, and I'll incorporate that into a video. I really can't wait to see what this blue looks like. I don't have any clue what the blue will look like, but we'll have to test spray it on something. Yeah, I'm done. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. You guys are great. If you've not subscribed, please go hit that subscription button. It would help me out tremendously. Like the video if you liked it. Let me know, have you tried any of these AK paints? Give me some pointers, please, because this is an area that I am not familiar with very much. I have sprayed some spaz sticks, and it seemed like the paint didn't, if you touched it, it would turn black. You sprayed over a high gloss finish, but I don't know about AK. Maybe it's a little more durable. But yeah, and what about this glue? Has anybody tried that Revell glue? How thin is it? I don't know if it's thin or it's thick or what, but anyway, I wanted to give it a shot. And this stuff right here, amazing. It's absolutely amazing. If that's what fixes my paint jobs, everybody needs to go get a bottle of that, because I had some hideous stuff, and that has made it all better. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Go check out the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. Linked in the description below. as well as the spring store. Thank you to everyone who has purchased t-shirts. I saw a hoodie, just amazing. Thank you guys. I appreciate all of your support through the spring store. I'm looking at other avenues of possibly trying to get merchandise through somewhere else, but anyway, at this point it's still working. And my Patreon members, thank you guys so much. You're great. And to everyone out there watching this video, I appreciate your support. We'll see you on the next video, and hopefully it will again be with some of this. All right guys, take care. Bye.